Hi guys, in the previous tutorials we looked at how you can format your dates. Now in this tutorial I want to quickly show you how you can format the currency to look the way you want them. So first things first, if you are using XAMPP, you need to ensure that you enable your internationalization module. And if you don't know how you can do that, just number one, you can check when you click, for example, right here and then admin, you land on this page. Just go straight to PHP info and then find int intl. So you should be able to see this now. By default, this might not be shown because it has been disabled. So for you to enable it, just go back to your XAMPP config and then php.ini and then find the internationalization module, that is the intl, then search. So by default you'll see that it has this semicolon. Just remove it, and then once you've saved, ensure that you restart Apache so that it takes effect, and then after that you should now be able to see this. Good. So that's much about the enabling the internationalization module. Without that, we will not be able to format the currency by showing the currency symbol. So as of now, nothing much. So let's continue. Now, in terms of formatting, we had briefly discussed how to configure your formatter in different properties. So for this video, there are four key aspects. The first one is the locale. Now, this locale, you need to provide the accurate locale based on in your country. And then there's the currency code. This is the ISO standard currency code, the thousand separator, and then the decimal separator. So these four are key when it comes to formatting your currency. Now, so by default, the currency code here is USD. Now, when we go back to our index page, you can see by default, this is just formatted as normal text. So I'll add currency formatting. So you can see it has now been formatted nicely because it's Kenya shilling. Now, if you wanted to change this to different currency at this point, you can use the other way of doing this, which is basically lots of notification today, looks like. So the first one is the attribute, and then the value. So the value here, it will be a callable function without a name, and then model. So this is that particular model, and then just format this nicely. So I want this to return a formatted currency. So it will be ye, then up, then formatter, then format as currency. Currency, that is now we need to pass in the value to be formatted, which is model price. Good. And then close that. So this should just return the same dollar formatting. If we were to use a different currency, like say euro, we can now just pass in here euro in okay, euro is EUR. So you can see it has formatted this price into euros instead of USD. So that's how you can also override. Now, if you are not able to see this currency sign, it means that you have not enabled the internationalization module in your XAMPP. So please check that, and then you should be able to do this. So guys, that's pretty much about formatting the currency. If you have any issue, please reach out, and remember to follow, subscribe, and share this video. See you in the next tutorial.